Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 431st episode and the 8th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. Today, I'm going to share with all of you a Southern classic dessert, Red Velvet Cupcakes. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're going to put a cream cheese frosting on them. Perfect for the holiday season or any time of the year. Everybody's going to fall in love with these cupcakes. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Christmas treats and my Red Velvet Desserts Recipes playlist and my previous video, Snowball Cookies. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your cupcake liners, your flour, and your red food coloring sugar, because we're about to bake some red velvet cupcake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. We're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, 2 cups of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And we're going to whisk the dry ingredients together until it's well incorporated, or you can sift them. So now we're going to set these aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature, 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Going to make our cupcakes nice and moist. And make sure you use real mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar. 1 cup of buttermilk that let come to room temperature. 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. 2/3 of a cup of hot coffee. I'm using decaf, or you can use the original. And of course, 1 fluid ounce bottle of liquid red food coloring. Love this recipe because it's all a dump in the bowl. And we're going to mix these together on medium speed until it's well incorporated. Alright, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, our cake batter is complete. Love the smell of red velvet. Gorgeous, vibrant red. Perfect. Now we're ready to scoop them into the cupcake pan. We're going to scoop them in a cupcake pan with 12 cupcake liners. So we're going to use my cookie scoop. Going to fill them up to about 2/3. full. Gonna add a little bit more. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish filling up my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cupcakes together, now ready to put them in the oven. We're gonna put them in the preheated 350-degree oven and we're gonna let them bake for about 20 to 22 minutes. Alright, my friends, I have taken my red velvet cupcakes out of the oven. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now we're going to let these cool on a wire rack. And while they're cooling, we can get started on our luscious cream cheese frosting. In my large bowl, I have 1 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread and 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter, both at room temperature. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and mix this in until it's well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly add in 5 cups of powdered sugar that's sifted. And I turn my mixer down to low so that way I won't make a mess. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, our cream cheese frosting is complete. And the red velvet cupcakes is nice and cool. We're ready to pipe them. I have placed my cupcakes onto my cake stand. And I put my icing into a piping bag using a 1M tip. Just gonna pipe them all around like so. Just like that. And some chopped pecans. Magnificent. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cupcakes and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern red velvet cupcakes. Don't they look pretty? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cupcake. Fluffy and tender. So moist. I love that cream cheese frosting. And I love the crunch from the pecans. Ain't nothing like red velvet cupcakes. This is amazing, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Red velvet cupcake luscious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.